Hey y'all, it's your favorite remodeling truth teller, Roger Smith, and today's show is called How to Predict Your Bathroom Remodel Timeline Accurately. Let's face it, remodeling a bathroom might just be one of the most daunting projects on your wish list. You're balancing plumbing, fixtures, and that perfect tile choice, all while dreaming of taking a steamy, stress-free soak in your new tub. But nothing throws a wrench in your relaxation plans like a timeline that spirals out, leaving you watching paint dry, literally. So, let's talk about how to keep your bathroom remodel timeline as precise as your grandma's cookie recipes. First things first, start with a solid plan. Y'all, I can't make this stuff up. The devil is in the details, and so is your schedule's success. Engage with your design team early on to nail down every facet of your vision from day one. Trust me, a little extra effort now prevents a mountain of headaches later. Next, establish realistic goals. Think of your project in phases, like laying out a trail of breadcrumbs. Demo day, plumbing positioning, tile triumphs. Categorize each stage to set anticipation and keep things moving. Just like assembling IKEA furniture, following the order makes a world of difference. Now, here's a hard truth. Delays are as much a part of the remodeling world as hammers and nails. Identifying potential pitfalls can help mitigate them, but remain flexible. Whether it's a shipment of Italian marble held up at customs or a mysterious water pipe that wasn't on the plans, be ready to roll with the punches. And let's not forget about keeping communication crystal clear. I see you over there ignoring contractor red flags. We need to talk. A scheduled weekly check-in with your contractor can keep you looped in on progress and alerted to any hiccups threatening your timeline. An informed homeowner is a calmer homeowner. Also, consider the smaller items often overlooked: permits and inspections. Waiting on approvals can feel like watching grass grow, so factor in that time from the start to avoid a bottleneck later. Lastly, set buffer zones. Aim for a timeline that's attainable without burning out your build team. A little breathing room does wonders in keeping excitement alive and stress at bay. Kind of like planning for holiday leftovers. Always have a little extra. When you merge planning with predictability, your timeline transforms from a mysterious guessing game into a precise schedule, leading to a dream bathroom more efficiently than ever before. This has been Roger Smith with the Phoenix Home Remodeling Show. Until next time, keep dreaming bigger. And remember, if your remodel feels stressful, it's not you, it's your contractor. Later, y'all.